Hello everyone. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how we can set a drawing to scale here in the AutoCAD layout that is on your sheet. Through the viewport, where we can access the files that were drawn in model space, it's likely that they won't be to scale, right? So here we have the viewport, which can be selected, and the drawing inside it. To access the viewport, the first thing I always recommend is to frame the sheet on your screen. Why? Because if I double click right here, I'll be, in quotes, stuck inside the viewport and I won't be able to get out. So it's always good to zoom out the screen, preferably in the gray area, double click with the mouse scroll wheel, and then we frame the sheet on the screen. With that, I can easily enter and exit the viewport. What does that mean? Entering means double clicking inside the viewport. We'll see that its outline will be darker, and up here, we'll have some information like the top view, which is the top view, and 2D wireframe, which is the wireframe mode. To exit the viewport, I double-click outside, that is in the gray area. And with that, I exit edit mode. So it's important to understand this inside-outside concept here with AutoCAD's viewports. Remember that we're down here in the layout area, not in the model, which is this area with the dark background. So down here, the little tab in the lower left corner, we're on the sheet already set up with the correct layout size. So to set the scale, just double-click inside the viewport. And we usually use a command that seems complicated, but it's actually super simple. So the first thing, Z, enter. And then we're going to type the desired scale, like this, 1000 / for example, 75, which is the scale I want, 1 to 75, XP, enter. And then it'll zoom in on our drawing. To adjust it on the screen, I click and hold the scroll wheel and drag to pan. That way, I can better center my drawing. And with that, I click outside. If I wanted, for example, 1 to 100, I would double-click, type Z, enter, 1000 / 100, XP, enter. And I would double-click outside to exit the viewport. So in this lesson, we saw how to set a drawing to scale here on our AutoCAD layout sheet. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next lessons. Thank you very much.